Imagine a vehicle that looks like a car, rides like a bicycle, and barely uses any fuel, or none at all. Sounds impossible? Think again. In today's video, we're exploring some of the most incredible pedal-powered cars ever created, from futuristic enclosed vehicles that can handle rain and traffic to high-tech machines packed with electric assistance, smart features, and impressive cargo space. These innovative designs are completely changing the way people commute and proving that the future of transportation might be powered by your own legs. Let's check them out. Picture yourself riding to work without getting caught in the rain, stuck in traffic, or struggling to carry your groceries. That's the idea behind the Hopper bicycle car, an innovative enclosed e-bike developed by Germany's Hopper Mobility. It combines the comfort of a small car with the freedom of a bicycle, and in many regions it's still classified as an e-bike, so you can use bike lanes without needing a special license. Instead of a traditional chain, it features a modern pedal-by-wire system that sends your pedaling input directly to the electric motor, resulting in a smoother ride with less maintenance. The Hopper reaches speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour and offers an impressive 280 liters of cargo space. With features like a full windshield, turn signals, and integrated lights, it's built to handle everyday commuting in almost any weather. For city riders looking for a smarter and more comfortable way to travel, the Hopper is proving that the future of cycling is already here. The Acticycle is one of those unique vehicles that completely changes the way you think about everyday transportation. Designed in France, it blends the best features of a bicycle and a compact city car into one practical machine. Its stable four-wheel design, along with a protective roof and windshield, keeps riders comfortable in both rain and sunshine. Despite its enclosed cabin, the Acticycle remains compact enough to use bike lanes and cycling paths, while offering side-by-side seating for two adults. There's also up to 170 liters of cargo space, making it easy to carry groceries, backpacks, or other daily essentials. As you pedal, an electric assist motor helps with the harder work, and some versions can reach speeds of up to 45 kilometers per hour. Smart, efficient, and built for modern cities, the Acticycle proves that commuting doesn't have to be stressful. It can actually be comfortable and enjoyable. The 6E Vigos takes the idea of a pedal-powered vehicle to a whole new level. Developed by the French company 6E, this fully enclosed three-wheeled vehicle is designed for people who want the comfort of a car while still enjoying the benefits of active transportation. Instead of using a traditional chain, it features a unique chainless pedaling system that converts your pedaling effort into electricity, giving you smooth and responsive acceleration. Its performance is surprisingly impressive, with a top speed of up to 120 kilometers per hour, making it capable of traveling on regular roads and even highways where permitted. A 22 kilowatt-hour battery provides an estimated range of around 160 kilometers, while regenerative braking helps recover energy during every trip. Inside, the cabin comfortably seats two people and includes sliding windows, ventilation, and practical storage space. An advanced active tilting system also allows the Vigos to lean naturally through corners, creating a ride that feels both stable and incredibly smooth. The Daewoo Mark I is one of those vehicles that doesn't fit into a single category. Built by the Chinese company Daewoo, it's described as a car e-bike, and once you see it in action, the name makes perfect sense. Its semi-enclosed cabin protects riders from rain, wind, and changing weather while remaining compact enough for everyday urban travel. The four-wheel design provides excellent stability, and its streamlined body helps maximize efficiency, offering a claimed range of up to 100 kilometers on a single charge. What really makes the Mark I stand out is the amount of technology packed inside. Depending on the version, it can include AI-assisted features, optional solar panels, puncture-resistant tires, GPS tracking, radar-based safety alerts, heated seats, and smartphone connectivity. It's a smart combination of comfort, innovation, and practicality, showing just how quickly personal transportation is evolving for modern city life. The Electromel EV is a Canadian-built light electric vehicle that's redefining what a modern bicycle can be. With its narrow, aerodynamic body and comfortable recumbent seating position, it's designed to make longer rides feel much easier. Measuring less than 24 inches wide, it can move through traffic and bike lanes as easily as a standard bicycle while offering far more capability. Instead of relying on traditional gear shifting, the Electrum LEV uses a generator and chain drive system that automatically manages power delivery, allowing riders to pedal at a steady, comfortable pace. Depending on the model, it can reach speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour and travel more than 100 kilometers on a single charge, with the option to add extra batteries for even greater range. It also includes over 100 liters of cargo space, integrated lights, turn signals, and weather protection, making it feel less like a bike and more like a compact personal vehicle built for everyday travel. The Northern Light Motors bicycle car is a futuristic vehicle from the United Kingdom, created by former automotive designer Graham Brown with the goal of reinventing everyday commuting. Instead of looking like a typical bicycle, it features a fully enclosed aerodynamic body that resembles a miniature sports car. It's available in 3 versions: the pedal-powered 428, the electric-assisted 557, and the more advanced 630, all designed to provide excellent weather protection and efficient long-distance travel. Depending on the model, it can cover up to 100 miles while using only a small fraction of the energy required by a conventional electric car. Despite its sleek appearance, it's packed with practical features, including hydraulic disc brakes, integrated lights and turn indicators, luggage storage, and optional GPS tracking. Built from lightweight composite materials, it delivers an impressive balance of efficiency, durability, and style, making it one of the most innovative bicycle cars on the road today. Zetmobile Pitch. The Zetmobile Pitch is a compact 4-wheel pedal electric vehicle designed to make city travel simpler, smarter, and more enjoyable. Its fully enclosed body protects riders from wind and rain, while the 4-wheel layout provides extra stability and confidence on the road. Thanks to its lightweight construction, the Pitch stays energy efficient, and the pedal-assisted drivetrain keeps you actively involved instead of just relying on electric power. That combination creates a riding experience that feels both natural and effortless. Its compact size also makes navigating busy streets and finding parking much easier than with a conventional car. Inside, there's enough storage space for groceries, work bags, or other everyday essentials, making it a practical choice for daily commutes and quick errands. By blending the efficiency of a bicycle with the comfort and protection of a small vehicle, the Zetmobile Pitch offers a fresh and practical solution for modern urban transportation. Quad Velo. The Quad Velo proves that pedal-powered transportation can be practical enough for everyday life. This fully enclosed 4-wheeled velomobile is built to keep riders comfortable in rain, wind, and cold weather, making it a reliable option throughout the year. Its 4-wheel design provides far greater stability than a traditional bicycle, giving you more confidence whether you're carrying cargo or riding longer distances. The sleek aerodynamic body reduces air resistance, allowing the Quad Velo to travel farther while requiring less effort from the rider. One of its biggest strengths is its generous cargo capacity, offering plenty of room for groceries, work gear, or everyday essentials, enough that some families could even replace a second car with it. Comfortable seating, excellent visibility, and a design focused on real-world usability make the Quad Velo much more than a recreational bike. It's a smart example of how human-powered transportation can meet the demands of modern daily life. The A-Emotion is a unique pedal electric vehicle from France that combines the agility of a motorcycle with the comfort of a small, enclosed car. Its most impressive feature is the tilting cabin, which naturally leans into corners to deliver a smooth, stable, and confidence-inspiring ride. Despite its enclosed design, the vehicle remains narrow enough to weave through busy city streets with ease. Large, transparent panels surround the cabin, providing excellent visibility in every direction, while the comfortable seating position makes longer journeys far more relaxing than a traditional bicycle. When extra power is needed, the electric assist system helps reduce the effort without taking away the feeling of actively riding. Its lightweight construction keeps energy consumption low, and its compact size means parking is quick and effortless, even in crowded urban areas. With its innovative design and futuristic appearance, the A-Emotion offers a fresh vision of what personal transportation could look like in the years ahead. Envo Vimo. The Envo Vimo is a Canadian-built three-wheel velomobile that offers a fresh take on urban transportation. Developed by Envo Drive Systems, it features a lightweight protective canopy that shields riders from rain, wind, and cold weather while remaining slim enough to comfortably use bike lanes. Inside, the supportive seating position makes longer rides more comfortable, and riders can choose between pedal assist or throttle mode depending on how much effort they want to put in. Powered by a 750-watt electric motor, the Vimo can reach speeds of up to 32 kilometers per hour and travel as far as 100 kilometers, depending on the battery configuration. It also provides useful storage space for groceries, backpacks, and other daily essentials, making it far more practical than a standard bicycle. The stable three-wheel design delivers confident handling through busy city streets, creating a vehicle that removes many of the everyday challenges of cycling, while keeping the efficiency and freedom that riders love. Car bike. The car bike is a unique vehicle from France that blurs the line between a compact car and an electric bicycle. While its enclosed body gives it the appearance of a small car, it's designed around the simplicity and efficiency of cycling. The cabin features a roof, windshield, and protective body panels that keep riders dry and comfortable in changing weather, making it ideal for daily commuting. Despite its car-like design, the car bike remains lightweight and narrow enough to move easily through busy city streets. A 250-watt pedal assist motor works together with the rider's pedaling effort, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour, while staying within standard European e-bike regulations, so no special license is required. Depending on the version, it can carry 1 or 2 passengers and offers several hundred liters of cargo space for shopping or everyday essentials. With its stable 4-wheel platform, integrated lights, mirrors, and turn indicators, the car bike is built to make urban travel more practical, comfortable, and efficient. Mubea U-Mobility Bicycle Car in Mercedes brings automotive engineering into the world of pedal electric transportation. Developed by the German company Mubea, well known for producing lightweight components for the automotive industry, this vehicle is designed with the durability and precision you'd expect from a full-sized car. Instead of focusing only on personal commuting, the U-Mobility is built for serious urban work, especially last-mile deliveries where large vans are often inefficient and expensive to operate. Its sturdy 4-wheel chassis, combined with pedal electric assistance, delivers excellent stability while keeping energy consumption low throughout a full day of use. The enclosed cargo compartment protects goods from the weather, making it a practical solution for businesses and delivery fleets. With its automotive-grade construction, efficient design, and focus on real-world performance, the Mubea U-Mobility shows how pedal-powered vehicles can play an important role in the future of sustainable city transportation.